So the main idea of Seasons of CS is to provide ongoing professional learning for a team of teachers, school counselors, and school administrators, school leaders, to implement equity-minded computer science education and make sure that it is accessible and engaging for all students.
So as a participant in programs like this, it really fosters my own personal growth and to be conscientiously learning something new that I could bring back.
What I love about meeting with people from different schools, different districts, is that you're exposed to different perspectives. So something that is working well in one district that I may not have thought about, I can bring back to my own district. Just the ability to share and bounce ideas off of each other has been super awesome.
It's been really exciting working with the county and with these other districts and all these educators coming together for this one goal of bringing more CS to our students in our area. I've seen a lot of growth and excitement because people have been really dedicated to this work, and it's just exciting to kind of see the involvement that teachers have and just the fun that we're kind of having along with it, and can't wait to see this end up in the fall for the students.